Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, where we bring you the most exciting and honest reviews from the world of wheels. Today, we're diving into the luxurious, powerful, and truly one-of-a-kind 2025 Kenworth Motorhome Camper Truck. If you're into big rigs and big comfort, this one is going to blow your mind. The Kenworth Motorhome Camper Truck isn't just a motorhome. It's a road-dominating, diesel-powered beast built on a heavy-duty Class 8 truck platform. Kenworth took the soul of a long-haul truck and fused it with five-star hotel-level luxury. Let's start with the exterior. This thing looks like it belongs in a futuristic convoy. Sharp LED lighting, a bold chrome grille, aerodynamic upgrades, and a sleek two-tone paint finish make it a head-turner on the highway. Under the hood, it's powered by a PACCAR MX-13 engine, delivering up to 510 horsepower and a mountain-moving 1,850 lb-ft of torque. That means towing your toys, boats, trailers, or even another vehicle is effortless. Whether you're cruising through the Rockies or coasting across the desert, this motorhome is built to handle anything. Step inside, and it's a whole different world. The interior of the Kenworth Motorhome Camper Truck is straight luxury. Think heated floors, solid wood cabinetry, a full-size kitchen with high-end appliances, and even a spa-style bathroom. There's a king-size bed in the rear, surround sound entertainment system, and yes, an electric fireplace. The cockpit is all digital, with smart driving aids and touchscreen controls. Kenworth has clearly focused on both comfort and convenience for long hauls. One standout feature is the expandable living space. With just the push of a button, slide-outs create a massive open lounge area, making it feel more like a small apartment than a vehicle. And for those who work remotely, the built-in workstation with satellite internet ensures you're always connected. Driving the Kenworth Motorhome Camper Truck is surprisingly smooth. The air suspension system absorbs bumps like a dream, and despite its size, it handles with impressive confidence. Advanced safety features like lane departure warnings, adaptive cruise control, and 360-degree cameras add extra peace of mind. Now, this level of luxury doesn't come cheap. The starting price sits well into the six-figure range, and with customization options, it can go much higher. But for those who want the ultimate road trip experience without sacrificing luxury, it's worth every dollar. So, is the 2025 Kenworth Motorhome Camper Truck the ultimate home on wheels? Absolutely. It combines the brute strength of a truck with the comforts of a luxury suite. Perfect for full-timers, long-distance travelers, or anyone looking to explore the world in style and power. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Honest Auto Wheels for more in-depth reviews of the world's most fascinating rides. Got a vehicle you want us to cover next? Let us know down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the road.